my god. I don't know how much to put on here. It's so thick.
Oh my god, baby, that was a lot.
Man up.
Is that hot? You gonna live? Drink your horchata.
Wait. Oh my god. Oh.
Get your drink.
It's not getting any better.
Do we need to go get milk?
No. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh fuck.
Are you okay?
Yeah. Oh. Oh. Huh. Oh.
That's gonna hurt coming out the other end.
I don't know. Ah. Oh, it's fucking hot. My ears are like...
Your ears?
Yeah. Woo! Oh. Oh.
You alright? Your eyes are a little watery.
Okay, I think it peaked out.
It's past.
I think this is the hottest it's gonna get right here.
2 minutes and 40 seconds
Okay.
that lasted.
Oh, I'm clenching so tight, my fucking inner thighs are fucking hurting.
Oh, really?
Oh, God. Oh. This wasn't even fun. This wasn't fun. Oh, that wasn't fun. That wasn't like, haha, it's hot. No, this is like, oh, fuck you. Whew. Okay, it's eating better now.
You good?
Oh, wait.
Coming back?
Okay. Oh. I was getting scared for a minute there. It wouldn't stop. It just kept on getting hotter and hotter and hotter.
Oh, shit.
And it wouldn't stop that whole entire time. Oh, I'm lightheaded.